Good day, class. Our class will be starting with empirical formula and how to solve problems on that. In our last video, we talked about empirical formula as the simplest formula that shows the ratios of atom in a molecule of a compound. And we solved several problems on that. But today we want to see a new twist to that, where the compound will have water of crystallization. In case you have been watching my video and you have not subscribed, this is the time to subscribe and follow me for more updates. Let's solve the question together. An inorganic compound contains 16.1% sodium, 4.2% carbon, 16.8% oxygen, and 62.9% water of crystallization. So calculate the empirical formula of the compound. So we're given sodium is 23, carbon is 12, oxygen is 16, water is 18. So let's solve the problem together. We need to set up our work. We set up our work. The first one is sodium. We write sodium. The next one is carbon. We write carbon. The next one is oxygen. Oxygen. And the last one is water. So in the question we were given the data, 16.1% sodium. So we have sodium. So we say given data. We have the first one is 16.1% sodium. The next one is 4.2% carbon. The next one is 16.8% oxygen. And the last one is 62.9% water. 62.9% water. So now that we have set up our work, we have the next stage is to calculate, is to divide by the RAM. So we divide by the RAM. Divide by RAM. So these are their RAMs, relative atomic masses. So we have the first one, 16.1 over sodium is 23. Carbon is 12. Carbon is 12. That's 4.2 over 12. Oxygen is 16. 16.8 over 16. And the last one is water. That's 62.9 over 18. So we divide by, let's see the result we have. So we have 16.1 divided by 23. That's 0.7. We have 4.2 divided by 12. We have 0.35. And the next one, 16.8 divided by 16. That's 1.05. It's 1.05. And the last one, 62.9 divided by 18. We have 3.49. 3.49. So now that we have the result on the board, the next stage is to divide by the smallest. So when we consider all these now, 0.7, 0.35, 1.05, 3.49, the smallest is 0.35. So we have divide by smallest. So we have 0.7 over 0.35, 0.35 over 0.35, 1.05 over 0.35, and 3.49 over 0.35. So when we divide very well, we have 0.7 divided by 0.35. This one is 2. The next one is 0.35 divided by 0.8, that's 1. So 1.05 divided by 0.35. That's 3. This one is 3. And the last one, 3.49 divided by 0.35. So that's 9.97. So 9.97. So we see that 9.97 is almost 10. So we have the new ratio will be 2, 1, 3, and this is approximately 10 because this figure here is greater than 5. So we round up. So that will give you, we add 1 to 9. That will give you 10. So the formula for the water of crystallization of the inorganic compound is sodium is 2. We write 2. Carbon is 1, or you leave it, or you write 1. Oxygen is 3, and it's having water of crystallization to be 10. So we have 10 water. So how do you pronounce this organic compound? You write it very well. Sodium carbonate decahydrate. Sodium carbonate, sodium triazocarbonate. For deca means 10 decahydrate. I hope you have gained something in this video. If you have not yet subscribed, do so quickly. I want to see our reaction in the comment section to have a topic you want us to treat. Let's meet in the comment section. I'll be ready to reply. Bye for now. See you in my next video. Bye.